Potatoes are life. Inside a crispy samoosa, even better. Now, one thing that we can do to make it even extra more better, turn it into a pie. Add some phyllo pastry with some tarka that has beautiful aromatics and bloom spices. To this, I'm adding some ginger, garlic, turmeric, green chilies. I love to season as I go. I like to add the corn in now. You could use frozen peas into this as well. They will work deliciously. The best thing that has happened at Woolies is they have introduced up-to-date potatoes. Absolutely perfect for curries, stews, and mash because they're just extra creamy and delicious. I mean, look at those colors. You can use water in here. I'm just using vegetable stock because, you know, I'm extra. I don't want it to be like mashed potatoes. I do want it a little bit chunky and have a little bit of texture. It's looking gorgeous. Next step, we're gonna make a tarka. You could use ghee. I'm using butter because I do want those milk solids in the butter to caramelize a little bit. You really don't need much. Tarka is basically blooming the spices in a fat sauce. Garlic, ginger, turmeric, green chili, why not? Separate your phyllo sheets and start brushing the pastry. Maybe flaky, crispy, and beautifully delicious, nutty. I'm gonna put my potato mix into the plate here. Scrunch it up a little bit. Again, you want those peaks and valleys and hills to get extra crispy. And plonk that on top. Give it a cute little tuck into the dish. Do you know, like when you're on a road trip and all you want is like hot samoosas, like a potato and corn samoosa, like isn't that just the best thing? It's flaky, it's got potatoes, it is inspired by samoosa, arguably South Africa's most favorite snack. Listen, while I go finish this, how about you follow us for more?